Hello all, welcome to ASR Talks present chatbot connecting SNST. Today we have Narayana, President of Robotics Club. Hello.
Hello everyone. Hello. This is Narayana, President of Robotics Club SNIST. So I'm currently pursuing my 4th year in ECM SNIST.
And can you please describe about your club?
Yeah, Robotics Club, the club journey have started in 2007 where our seniors, 3 of our seniors, Naga Chaitanya, Krishna Chaitanya and Pradeep Iyer have started this club. They went to IIT Bombay where they have seen this robotics fest. They got very much inspired from that fest and they wanted this robotics kind of thing in our college also. To share knowledge regarding robotics, they thought robotics is not like very much in-depth of knowledge thing. It's like our day-to-day life things where we can make things easier with the help of robots, with the help of machines, where we can automate things and make our lives easier. So they have started this club back in 2007. From there, the legacy of Robotics Club have been like continuing till this day.
How has been your role as President of Robotics Club at SNST?
Yeah, I have become the president of Robotics Club in last June, 2023 June. So my role after becoming president is like I've seen many people like juniors. I've seen them currently the second years, third years, from teaching stage to teaching them to normal technology stage to handling them or making them to teach their juniors and handling the club which has a total of 200 members strength. It's like it was a very much challenging thing for me. Starting it was not so easy to handle things, yes. But the teamwork, all the team, my juniors and their juniors, they have kept very much hard work. They have done things so much easier for me.
Okay.
So,
and what are the notable achievements of Robotics Club?
Yeah, notable achievements of Robotics Club. First thing I would say, every year we conduct a national level robotics symposium, which is the Srinidhi's annual technical fest also, Roboa. Every year we have been conducting the fest, and previously we have got the ISO certification for that fest under sustainable management, event sustainability and management. That was a remarkable achievement we have got. Okay. And it's not like to get achievements every year. To continue that legacy is what we think is the biggest achievement with like a club with a 15 years of legacy, and continuing that legacy without spoiling it is what the major achievement we feel.
Yes.
And apart from that, we also have patents. Our students, our juniors, they also have some patents in design patents. And they are also developing some prototypes for MSME thing, and also recently they have visited this Yukti display in IIRE.
Okay.
So these are some few remarkable things.
And how do you feel like the collaboration within the club, and what motivates you to be all united and achieve more than you expect?
Yeah, talking about that, we have our club slogan like coming together is beginning, and keeping together is progress, working together is success.
Wow.
So keeping in mind, everyone here works with their co-mates. Like it's not like working under someone. It's like working with tech stuff, working with people who are techies, and working for a good cause.
Yes.
The main thing we work here is robotics for a good cause, and people also come here, share their knowledge, and also take the lessons from their seniors. That's what make the Robotics Club different from other clubs, what I think.
What made you to join Robotics Club? Like, what is the attracting point in it?
Yeah, what made me join this club is I was introduced to robotics at early stage of my life, but I was not clear what could I get from robotics. So when I got to know there is a robotics club in Srinidhi, so after joining Srinidhi, I've come to know what all the things they do here.
Okay.
But after joining this club, with the help of my seniors, my mentors, we have mentors here. So with the help of my mentors, I got to know a lot of things like how to build a career in robotics, how to build a career, what all the things you can do, and how robotics can help the future of a student. Like it's not like the major thing I have learned is like student having having some concentration or focus on something, or if he have a mindset that to solve a problem in his day-to-day life,
Yes.
he can do some wonders, like what all the things he can do. So after coming here, I got to know what all the things we can do when we have that problem solving nature within us.
Okay.
So here we do that only, like we embed students with the problem solving nature. How can we solve the problems in our day-to-day lives? What then how can he shape his future
Okay.
with that thing?
And can you please share about the recruitment process, like how the students get into Robotics Club?
Club, like we have different phases after recruiting the students. We have different phases in this club. So in that, the first phase is recruiting the students. Normally the first phase is induction phase. So where we'll be having students coming to the club, they're enrolling for the club. After that, we'll be having mentors. Those mentors will be teaching the students, and they'll guide the students, like what all the things, what is the basics of robotics, what all the things we can do using robotics, and what is the use of robot, how to select a motor, how to select a component, how to solve a problem. They'll guide them in every possible aspect.
Yes.
After that, they do a project under the guidance of the mentor. After completion of that project, we'll be having a final display. We'll be having a series of display. After the series of display, we'll be having a final display.
Okay.
In that final display, after having that, we'll be having an exam and also an interview, continuing that. So whoever will be selected in the interview and the exam will be taken in the club.
Okay.
So that's the recruitment process in the club. After completion of that, we'll be having a post-induction. In the post-induction, without any mentoring, without any guidance, under the supervision of executives and the tech heads, we'll be having tech heads to take care of all the teams.
Okay.
So under the supervision of their executives, they'll do the project on their own.
Okay.
They'll just guide the student how to make the project and what all the technologies they can include in the project. So after completion of the post-induction, we'll be having the same series of displays and the final display. After completion, they'll be entering into the next stage of the club.
Okay.
Where we'll be having Roboa. In that, they should do the volunteering work. After completion of that, they become mentors, and the same thing continues. Like they teach their juniors, who are new to the club. So the cycle continues in the same way. And we are also having a tab phase, where it's a technical advisory board, where the student will be trained in a particular technology he is interested in. We are having 6 tab technologies, and that the student can take any particular tab technology and he can be trained in that. Apart from these, we also train the student in aspect of competitions. Like we only believe that having knowledge is not that, like getting knowledge is not that easy. Sharing through sharing someone and getting the knowledge through someone is what we believe is a better way of getting the knowledge. So attending these competitions is what the best way of getting the knowledge. In the student gets trained from the best one.
Yes.
In the competition. So we'll be having a CIC, it's like competition wing. So where the students will be trained in the aspect of competitions, and they attend the competitions.
What are the current projects you are working upon?
Yeah, currently the projects we are working on, we have few projects in our induction program which stood out very well. Like some of the projects were like pet monitoring system, where a group of 8 students have built a monitoring system, pet monitoring system, where we have taken a dog in an example, and the prototype will monitor all the parameters, health parameters of the dog, like, and give a time to time update to the owner of the dog, so that he can check how his pet is, like how his dog is doing. So other than that, we also have waste segregation system where we can segregate the waste into plastic, non-plastic and metals, like plastic waste, glass waste and metal waste, so that it can be easy for the recycling process. And other than that, we also have oil skimmer bot, where we'll be having oil spillages in the oceans, right?
Yes.
To clean that, it gets very much difficult for the people. So it also affects the aquatic life. So to overcome this process to up to certain extent, we have developed a project called oil skimmer. Using a mild steel plate, it will attract the oil to that and will collect the oil. So these were the some projects which were very much good. And coming to post-induction, we have some projects particularly dedicated to some technologies like IoT technology and other technologies. If we have a IoT based automatic hay and water dispenser, which also got the design patent recently, where it gives like time to time it gives hay and water to the cows. When the farmer is out of station, he can't monitor how his like cattle is getting the food and water. So using this IoT technology, he can monitor from wherever he is. From there, he can monitor is his cattle getting that food, hay or water. So apart from that, we also have a project called Vidyut Rakshak, where it will inspects and notifies the person regarding the repair regarding the transmission lines, and the person can come and get this done. So these were some projects that got design patents and also patents.
They're truly notable and sustainable.
Yeah.
What are the challenges Robotics Club face?
Challenges, like every year it will be a challenging part only, because working with new juniors, working with new people who doesn't have the experience, to teach them and make them work properly and to get the output, to get the right output, to meet the industry level technology. Every year it will be a challenging task for us only. Like students, like first years or the freshers who join the club, they don't know like what is the importance of this club. So to get them know what is the importance of the club, and also to make them learn things, it's a challenging task. For everyone in the team, it's a challenging task.
And recently you have organized Roboveda. How was your experience organizing it?
Yeah, recently Roboveda, like last Roboveda was the 23, Roboveda 23 was the 15th Roboveda we organized. So we had that 15th Roboveda thing on us. So keeping that on mind, everyone worked really very hard. There were many challenges, like there were being exams conducted and juniors can't work in their exams. Like there were many challenges we faced in that, but everyone had only one thing: this is our Roboveda, we should work. So everyone worked really hard. Keeping their exams also, juniors have come here in the club room, they have worked. They did all the parts, all the mechanical work, all the things prior only. We have planned it in such a way that their exam should not be disturbed. And also our fest should not be like disturbed in a way. So it was a good experience.
If I ask you a question, why students should join Robotics Club, what's your answer?
Yeah, why students should join this Robotics Club? I had this same doubt when I was joining this Robotics Club. Like before knowing about Robotics Club, everyone has this doubt: why should I join? Like everyone thinks that Robotics Club is a technical club where you only get this technical knowledge. No, like any club, or be it Robotics Club, apart from technical knowledge, we also get this non-technical skills where I have personally gained like team leadership skills, communication skills, where you can go and talk in front of 100 people without any fear. And also apart from this, I've mentioned Roboveda, right? During that Roboveda, people develop these skills, like non-technical skills like marketing, publicity, organizing skills. These all skills are uh, it comes with this club.
Yes.
It gives you everything what all you need, it gives you. And apart from this, I want to tell one thing, like to the people who think like robotics is something which is like rocket science. No, it's not rocket science. It's a day-to-day life thing where you can have a thought in your mind that in my day-to-day life problem I have a problem. How should I solve this problem?
Okay.
To get that mindset, it helps you.
Yes.
It helps you in that way. And if you have that mindset, you can make number of changes in your life. It makes your life not only easier but also very much better.
Yeah.
That kind of thing Robotics Club definitely will give you. And to the juniors who wants to join this Robotics Club, I can assure you that you can get that type of mindset.
Yeah.
So meet Abhinav. He's our GenSec for this current year.
Hi, this is Abhinav. I'm the General Secretary for the Robotics Club for this tenure. Actually, I have worked as the Vice President in the previous tenure also. Like, I'm from EC background, currently pursuing my 4th year.
So Abhinav, previous year you was the Vice President, right? And this year you are the General Secretary.
Yeah.
So can you share some of your experiences like in this club? You have been in the steering body for 2 years. What was your experience in this 2 years?
Like in club, everyone sees the projects only like as an outsider. We only see the projects or any other achievements. But being a board member in the club, we also go through lot of different phases. Like we work on projects, we do other fests and organizing activities also. Like in our club, there are many departments like CIC, TAB, and executive body and SAB. These coordinating between these bodies is a task which is very important to complete, and we will learn many things while pursuing these tasks. Like for example, CIC. Coming to CIC is meant for competitions. Like we'll go to different colleges and different states to participate in the competitions. Like we have to work on bots making, and we have to practice the gameplay, and also like we have to organize ourselves to go and participate there. And in TAB we have different domains, and like each domain focusing on each technical thing, like deep learning, image processing, and other things. We have there is a lot of scope to learn many things, and we have to teach the juniors about these technologies. And coming to executive body, like I am the head of the executive body. Like executive body contains all the organizational things, like maintaining our website, teaching juniors about the induction and post induction, and also other things. So I have learned a lot of organizational skills and technical skills through my tenure.
Yeah, you have mentioned that competitions, right? You are one of the person who went to Jaipur to participate in JRCC, right?
Yeah.
So how was your experience? Like you are the first person in our batch to go there and participate in there. Like share us few experiences. Like it will be useful for the juniors also.
Yeah. Last year, like last academic year, we went for JECRC University in Jaipur. There was a technical fest conducted. We participated in Robo Soccer and Robo Rover, like which is meant for all-terrain robot. Like their participating is one thing, and getting communication with other teams, and looking at their projects, looking at their bots, there was a lot of scope to learn. Like we found our mistakes where our bots were lacking in. Like we did great there. Like we have won the 3rd prize in Robo Rover, like all-terrain robot. But comparing to other bots, like we were just little bit lacking. Like but we finally figured out where we are lacking in, and we are still working on the progress.
Is there anything else you would like to add in this podcast?
Firstly, thank you for taking this like podcast. to the student, like everyone who wants to join this robotics thing and who wants to build a career in robotics, I only want to tell you one thing, like don't think about it is not my cup of tea or I can't do it. Like, come here and just give it a try. Give it a try with 100%. Give it a try with 100% of your knowledge or 100% wholeheartedly. Who knows? Like, you can do it. Yeah, that's.
And thanks for the insightful session. Students will definitely inspire from this message and they'll definitely join Robotics Club soon.
Thank you.
Thank you.